Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to be private on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now, to be private on Telegram, first open up your Telegram app on your phone. Before we proceed, you need to know thing that is there is no specific button to be a private on Telegram, but we will be required to go through a certain settings of the Telegram in order to make account private on Telegram. And with that being said, guys, on this interface at the top left corner of the screen, you can see there's a three-lined icon available for us. Tap on that three-lined icon, and over here you can see there is the settings option available for us just below the saved messages. Tap on settings, and over here you can see the privacy and security option available for us just below the chat settings. Tap on privacy and security, and over here on this interface scroll down a little bit, and you can see here it says the privacy option available for us. Now, in order to make your account private on Telegram, make sure all of these options on the privacy sections are customized to private, from phone number to invite. So to do that, open up that specific option and tap on and choose the nobody section or the minimum limited section over here. For example, here it says the phone number and who can view my phone number. Let's tap on nobody, and who can find me by phone number, let's tap on my contacts only. And with that being done, guys, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the tick mark of here. Tap on it and proceed to do that thing for all of these. For example, let's tap on the last seen and online to make it private. Tap on nobody and save it, and you can see you can also choose to hide the read times for the last seen and online, or turn that on and tap on the tick mark at the top right and tap on OK again. So again, let's tap on the profile photos. You can see where it says the who can see my profile photos. Tap on nobody, and again set it on the top right corner of the screen by tapping on the tick mark, and do that for all of these, guys. Tap on nobody and save it. And let's go for the calls as well. Let's tap on nobody and let's tap on the tick mark at the top right, and let's go for the voice messages. And you can see, guys, the voice messages are locked for our normal account, but it will be on nobody, or you can only do that for the premium account. Skipping the voice messages and messages, let's do that same for all of these options. And finally, the bio and the invites, do that for the bio and the invites as well. And by doing this, guys, your account will be made private, because all of the options which were used to contact you or be in touch with you are now turned off for nobody, which means that your account will be private on a sense. And with that being said, guys, this is how to make your account private on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.